Mobile Car Mechanic. Today we're working on a 2010 GTI. This is my personal car here. I'm going to be replacing the oil pressure sensor. Reason why I'm doing so is because I've been getting a oil pressure warning light on my dash. The 2010 generation is known to have this problem, but this will apply to 2010 to 2014 GTIs, as well as Tiguan's and Volkswagen CCs. Alright, we're going to go ahead and use this oil pressure sensor, which I ordered from FCP Euro. We're going to need a 24mm socket to go ahead and remove the sensor, and then a flathead screwdriver to go ahead and help remove the connector off the switch. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and remove the connector off this oil pressure switch sensor here. There's going to be like a little tab. The orientation might be a little bit different for everybody, but we're going to take a flathead screwdriver, and then we're going to go ahead and stick it in here. Alright. And then we're going to pry it up a little bit and pull the connector off. Essentially what you're doing here is taking the screwdriver and prying the tab just a slight bit, and then you pull it off. Now we're going to go ahead and use our 24mm socket to remove the sensor. Alright. Got it loosened. Should be able to turn it by hand now. Probably a little bit of oil is going to leak out, which is fine. It's not a big deal. Alright, this is the sensor here. So this is the old sensor. I'm going to go ahead and replace it with this guy. Alright, this is the new sensor. I'm going to go ahead and put it in. Get our wrench. We're going to go ahead and tighten it. You don't have to go crazy on the tightening. Just get it till it stops. Alright. And all you have to do now is take this connector and match it up to the sensor. The orientation might be a little bit different because the sensor is in a different position now for the connector. Once you get it on there, you slide it until you hear it click. Alright. Now we have it in place. And that's it. Alright, thank you for watching Mobile Car Mechanic. We just completed a job replacing the oil pressure switch or sensor on a 2010 GTI, which still applies to 2010 to 2014, as well as the Tiguan's and certain Volkswagen CCs.